Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we had finally the security updates for Microsoft Edge. So if you're an Edge user, it's important to apply these updates. We talked about how Chrome had several security bugs, including some 0 days that are exploited in the wild. Well, this reflects itself now with Windows, the Microsoft Edge browser, that is with Windows 10 and 11. So that means that you need to update or at least verify if it's up to date, as it usually does it automatically. Go into the upper right corner, go into help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. As of today, October 12th, you should be at 94.0.992.47. And this fixes the latest security flaws that were in the Chromium base of the browser. A lot of people are asking me, what's Chromium? We always talk about Chromium. Chromium is the basic code that is an open source code that is actually Google Chrome's made over Chromium, like Microsoft Edge is also built over Chromium, which is the code base. So, of course, they share the same security flaws when something happens most of the time. So check it out. You need to be at 94.0.992.47. And this will, of course, keep you safe, as a lot of these flaws were security flaws that were exploited in the wild. For the other browsers, if you have Opera, Brave, anything except Firefox, Firefox is a different beast. Check your browsers for the latest updates in the past few days or maybe coming this week, as pretty much every browser will have these security updates because they are all pretty much based on Chromium. So they all share that same security flaw. So whatever browser you're going to use or are using right now, make sure that you check for updates that, if they're not there already, should be coming in the next few days to stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.